Mbitika-ini iri kurikanite tatu za mani election mission ikoretwo iguciririe timu ithathatu cia anake na timu igiri cia airetu irakorio igikiro gaturumo muthini wa kiumia na kuria timu ya anake ya Bahati Vetos na Flam City Starlets ya airetu iraiyukirio hotani.
The reason why tulifanya hii tournament, we started the first tournament before elections so that kuambia watu wa keep peace during, before and after elections. So the reason why tuliorganize tournament ya pili ni kucelebrate na kusema asante for having an election which was peaceful.
Mbitika-ini cia anake Bahati Vetos irakumuthuria timu ya Flam City na bao 5-4 kwa joine ya penalty thutha wa timu ici cieri kuiganania hinya wa bao 1 Gisheha FC ikiganira na namba 3.
The main purpose for this football is to nurture these young guys who are growing up so that they can learn to exploit their talents, because we all know that in most cases on Sundays ndio sana hasa vijana wanatumia fursa yao vibaya kwenda kujiwest huko nje.
Kiharo-ini giki no kuiretu marabũrire mberi kuria timu ya Flam City Starlets iranũrire timu ya Nakuru MTC na bao 2 hatari macokio. Ũhotani uria captain wa timu ino Julia Kihararuga umanite na weruteri na kio kia athaki.
Hiyo game tumewin and football inasaidia sisi young girls, at least inatutoa kwa street, plus inatutoa to get early pregnancies.
Ni Mbitika igathiririo ni anyithi itemi ngũrani na aria meranire guthie na mbere na kunyitira iheo cia Mbeu njithi makimoria gwithemana na mitigo ingithararia rucio rwao.
Just want to appreciate this initiative because it's an initiative that actually brings on board several aspects, especially now even as we've been told about the peace initiative and all the other aspects like bringing the young people together.
Kameme TV haro-ini kuma kaunti ya Nakuru ritwa ria Kono wa Ng'ombe wa Maina.